Okay guys, it's that time of the day again, so we're going to have a look at something else new. This is from Modelsvit, which is also AA Models and Sova-A, so we're going to have a look at some of them today. So in 48 scale, these are the two new ones from them. This is their 109 C3 and this is their D1. These are very, very nice. These guys are working towards some really, really nice kits. These are quite good. But there'll be those that say, oh, there's better of these versions. To be honest, these look good. If you finish them off well and you do it, you know, a little bit of modelling skills required, the kits go together beautifully. They're just nice, and they are the early versions, which have been sort of left out in the cold for some time. So choices of markings are good. There's 3 choices of markings in there. So if you're looking for early models 109s to sort of do the whole series, then these two are the ones to have a look at. Also in 48 scale, this is their newest kit. This is their Yak 1. The reviews on this have been good. There's a build-up review on their Facebook page, so some pictures and shots of it. This is really good. This is really stepping up into a whole sort of another field for them. Very, very nice kit. Apparently fairly straightforward to build, and yeah, I know there's other Yak ones around, but from what I can read, this is probably the better of all of them at the moment. So have a look at it, give it a go. This is 48 scale as well. Now in 72nd scale from Modelsvit, we've got the SU7B or BMK. This is a series that they're doing. This is a limited edition. I'm not quite sure why it's limited edition, but there's that one. Also, now this is more in the Mirage series that they're working on, and yes, they are doing an Aussie one. That will be out in about 6 weeks or so. If it's anything like these ones that they've already done, then we're going to get a very, very nice new 72nd scale Mirage. So if you want to add that to your collection, you're going to have a really nice kit. So this is the Mirage 3 EA EBR. This has got 6 choices of markings, including looks like Argentina, French. There's a couple of others on there I can't quite read, but no, you've got 6 choices of markings in there. So that's going to be quite nice. As I said, the detail's good. So again, if you're looking for a new Mirage and you want to do a family, because they're doing it's a family series again, so nice one to grab hold of. Also in 72nd scale, another Mirage. This is their Mirage 2000C. No real connection to this one in the sense that there's not cross-kitting or anything like that. This is an all-new tool. This is quite nice. They've got a series of these coming. They've also done the 4000 as well, but that was done a little while back. But I think they're going to do 2-seaters and things like that, so that's going to be quite nice. Again, 5 choices of markings on the side there, so that's quite good. As I said, nice kit. The reviews, the things I've seen so far, people are very, very happy with this kit. As I said, the big one we're waiting for is the Aussie one, so that should be here soon. Now, something different. This is the 72nd scale TU22KD. This has been TU22 has been done before by AMT, Italeri, Eschi, somebody like that. So it's been around, but what I've read so far on this is a way, way better kit. The detail is better. The accuracy is far better. It's also in a far smaller box. It's broken down into 4 pieces for the fuselage, but don't let that put you off, because it's apparently the fit is very, very good. This is a nice kit if you want to do this sort of larger scale bomber series. Choices of markings, this is 3. They look like they're all Soviet. So if you want to do a nice kit of the TU22, then that might be the one to have a look at. It's got some nice detail on pictures on the side as well. And there's two in this series. This second one is also available. Now, the other two, these two, this one is from Sova-A. This is the UF2 Albatross. This is a series that they're going to be doing. They've already done one of this one, but This is really, really nice. If you've ever built the old monogram kit of this, then this is like light years ahead of that. This is just such a lovely kit. I believe they're going to do more versions of it and things like that. The detail, the finesse, the fine panel lines and all the rest of it is just lovely. It's nice small gates as well, so you're not going to be chopping huge pieces out of the kit. Not a lot of detail on the inside, but there's all cockpits and all the rest of it. So it looks really, really nice. This is your wheels and undercarriage. Again, there's nice detail in there, so that should be a lot. You know, there's your control columns, all sorts of bits and pieces on there that just really, really nice. What else we got? This is the floats and the prop and drop tanks. Looks like a torpedo of some sort. Again, very nice. The props have got no flash on them, so they look quite well done. This is your other drop tank. So I'm pretty sure you could do other versions out of this. There's not a lot of, that's all the same parts again. What else we got? Let's have a look at the wings. This is your wings, this is your upper middle section. Again, the detail, the finish on it is really, really nice. The really fine panel line detail, things like that. That's the lower wing to go on underneath, obviously. Tail planes, it's a one-piece tail plane. There's your bits and pieces there for it. Wings, this is the outer wing panels. These are very nice. Again, nice detail. Yeah, it's just lovely. So that's quite good. And then let's have a look at the clear parts. Very nice and clear. It even gives you a mask set. There you go. So that makes life even easier. So there's the clear parts for it. Nice and clear. That's your other fuselage. This looks to be, this is part of the undercarriage. So this is all undercarriage parts. Nicely detailed again, the legs. Oh, there you go. There's all detail inside the wheel well, in the bay. So that looks quite good. This is your cockpit parts. Part of the floor, instrument panels, things like that. Again, all little detail parts. And what else we got in here? Okay, there's actually, that's the decals for the Japanese one, which is the one they're promoting at the moment. So there's that one. Not bad, but there's also a little piece of etched metal to go in there as well. So that looks quite good. It doesn't look like it's got seat belts for the, no, it doesn't look like it's got seat belts for the seats, but with that small canopy, I don't know how much you'd see in there anyway. But anyway, so there's a bit of etched metal as well. So this is the first in this, or the second one actually in this series. And they are limited run. So if you want to get hold of one, I'd get hold of one as soon as you can, because the first one is sold out. So we just haven't been able to get the first one. So there you go. There's your painting guide. There's your instructions. The instructions are quite good. Pretty straightforward. Gives you all the colour guides, colour call-outs for all the parts. Things like that. Quite a bit of detail for the seats, but again, no seat belts as such that I can see. No, nothing at all. There's the undercarriage bay. That's quite nice, nicely done. So there you go. So that's the Sova-A UF2 Albatross, or UH16. As you can see, there are going to be different versions with different noses. So there's probably even another nose in here somewhere. So if you're looking to do an Albatross, and I believe there's even a couple here in Australia floating around, literally. So that could be quite nice. So other than that, so that's the Albatross. Let's put all this away again. Make sure we've got everything. Nice little resealable bag. Quite nicely. So there you go. So that's the Albatross. The other one I was going to show you was, this is from AA Models, which is all part of Modelsvit. This is their version of the C141 Starlifter. This is not the Rodin kit. All right, so if you're thinking, oh, it's just a rebox of the Rodin kit, no, it's not. This is an all-new tool by them. So I've seen the Rodin kit. This is the first time I've seen this one, so let's have a look. Nice instruction sheet. Seems to be a little bit more in this one. There's certainly a bit more in the cockpit, things like that. Yeah, there's quite a bit more in the cockpit. Engines look okay. The rear section, not that much in the rear section to worry about, just the basic, but yeah, no, looks all pretty straightforward. Doesn't look like the ramp comes down, so you don't have the ramp situation again, but looks quite nice. The actual kit itself, that's your markings. That looks quite good. A couple of choices there, 2 or 3 choices, so that's pretty cool. The kit itself, the plastic is quite nice. The detail is quite good, nice and fine. Detail's nice and fine, so that's good. There's your undercarriage pods. That's all sort of bits and pieces there. What's this bag got? Oh, that's your clear parts. And it looks like a mask. Yep, there's a mask as well. So that's pretty cool that the companies are now starting to cotton onto this and put the masks in with the kit. So it makes life a lot easier, it simplifies things. So you've already got it. Mask sets today have just made such a difference to modelling. You know, you're not spending years and days trying to paint or mask out clear parts, especially kits this size. That's the other cockpit side, the fuselage side, sorry. Where's the wings? Let's have a look at the wings. Oh, there you go. They're the wings. They look quite good. Nice and fine. Oh, all the detail underneath there. That looks quite good. Yeah, so this should be a nice kit as well. If you've already built the Rodin one, yep, that's fine. But if you wanted to do another one with a bit more detail or a bit different, or just to have a second one, or you wanted to do that, this would be a nice kit to do. So there you go. Oops. Other than that, have a great day. As I said, these are all in stock. This is 1/144th scale, sorry. I meant to say that before. These are all in stock right now, online or in either store. So either drop in and see us, say hello at least. Welcome back. Take care, have a great day.